What's up guys, my name is Greg and I'm going to be showing you how to build this awesome industrial steel and wooden bookshelf using limited tools, not welding any steel, not cutting any wood and doing it yourself. Let's go! We're going to start off by cutting all our pieces of steel to size. Now remember guys, you don't need a steel cut-off machine for this step. With a little bit of measurements and calculations, you can ask your local steel supplier to cut all your pieces of steel to size. Now I only got a rough sketch for this bookshelf, so we're going to figure it out as we build. Let's go! All my pieces of steel has been cut to size. Now we're going to start to assemble my frame using my connected blocks. We're going to start with a bigger outer frame and then we're going to move to the smaller blocks inside the bigger frame. Let's go! Now I'm going to install on all four corners of my frame this steel connecting square to make sure my frame stays 100% square. Let's go! You also get this measuring tool from Connected. It's got a small little pilot hole inside you can place over your steel, so you've got exactly the same measurement every single time you drill through your steel into your connected block. Let's go! I just finished my steel framework and I took the liberty in asking my local wood supplier to cut my plywood to size. This almost saved me half a day of time. Now I just need to assemble my plywood boxes and then I need to insert them into my steel frame. Let's go. This was honestly a fun and exciting project, and as you've seen in my videos before, you would know that I've got absolutely no experience in steelwork or welding, and with a little bit of calculations and measurements, you can take your steel and wood cutting list to your local suppliers to cut all your materials to size. And I just want to thank today's sponsor, Connected, for making this project possible. I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you can also find this product to build your own bookshelf. Not only a bookshelf, the possibilities is endless. Whatever you think, you can build it without doing any steelwork or welding. And this is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any future projects or videos I'm posting. Cheers for now.